Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve red line in Vivo phone. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Soft resetting your phone should resolve any temporary software issues that may have resulted in the red line. So, give a fresh start to your phone and see if that can fix the problem. To do this, unlock the screen of your Vivo phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. If your phone hasn't been through any sort of physical damage, you can try booting into safe mode. To do this, you have to press and hold the power button. Then click on the power off option. After that, leave the power button and press the volume down button. Now continue to hold it unless the phone boots up. Software updates play a crucial role in your smartphone's well-being. If you are not on the latest update, then make sure to install the update immediately. To do this, open the Settings app. Go to About Phone and tap on System. Tap Software Update. Then, tap on Check for Updates at the bottom. If an update is available, tap on Download and Install followed by Restart. A factory reset is the last solution in the limelight before you go for repair. However, it can cause the loss of data stored on your device. So, before we begin, it is recommended to create a backup. For this, open the settings on your Vivo phone. Then go to the About Phone. Click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Factory Reset button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the red line in Vivo phone is resolved. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Vivo OS or app-related problems, then there is no better option than using the Android repair tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android phone brands' errors easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about how to remove red line in Vivo phone. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.